In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Manychat with Shopify in just a few minutes. Whether you're trying to automate customer messages, improve response times, or you simply want to boost engagement and sales through smart messaging, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know so you can get things running without confusion or stress. First, open your web browser and go to manychat.com. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button in the top right corner of the page and log into your account. Make sure to follow along carefully step by step so you don't miss any details, especially if this is your first time working inside Manychat. Next, once you're logged in the account section, go to the main dashboard, click on the Settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon. You'll see several options that help you manage your account, automations, connected platforms, and many other things. From here, select the Integration section to view all the services you can connect with Manychat. To make the process smoother and proper, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged in to the correct Manychat account, have access to your Shopify admin store, and keep your Shopify login details ready. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary interruptions during the setup process. Once you're inside the integrations page, look for Shopify and click on it. After that, you'll be prompted to connect your Shopify store by entering your store URL and approving the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're designed to be simple and beginner-friendly, so there's nothing complicated to worry about. After the connection is complete, you should be able to sync customer data, automate order updates, and send personalized messages directly through Manychat without any issues. It's also a good idea to test the integration by triggering a sample message or automation. Taking this extra step ensures everything is working smoothly and helps you deliver a better customer experience. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to integrate Manychat with Shopify easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who want smarter customer communication. Why not make someone's day easier?